Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills, there lived a little girl named Emily. Emily had a cherished companion, a worn but beloved teddy bear named Mr. Buttons. Mr. Buttons had been with Emily since she was a baby, and she couldn't imagine a night without him. One sunny afternoon, Emily decided to have a tea party in her backyard. She carefully arranged her dolls and stuffed animals around a small table and made sure Mr. Buttons had the best seat. The garden was filled with the scent of blooming flowers, and the gentle hum of bees added to the serene atmosphere. As Emily poured imaginary tea and shared pretend cookies, a gentle breeze rustled the leaves of the nearby trees. Suddenly, Mr. Buttons seemed to blink. Emily rubbed her eyes in disbelief. Mr. Buttons blinked again, and then, to Emily's amazement, he spoke. "Thank you for inviting me to your lovely tea party, Emily," said Mr. Buttons in a soft, warm voice. Emily gasped in delight. "Mr. Buttons, you can talk." "Yes," he replied with a twinkle in his button eyes. "I've always been able to talk, but I needed a special moment to reveal it." They spent the afternoon chatting and laughing. Mr. Buttons told Emily stories of magical lands and adventures he'd had while she slept. Emily shared her dreams and hopes, and together they planned more tea parties and adventures. As the sun began to set, casting a golden glow over the garden, Mr. Buttons said, "Emily, always remember that no matter where you go or how big you grow, I'll always be here for you. Just close your eyes and you'll hear my voice." Emily hugged Mr. Buttons tightly, feeling a warmth and love that she knew would never fade. From that day on, their bond was even stronger, and Emily always knew that her best friend was just a heartbeat away. And so Emily and Mr. Buttons lived happily ever after, sharing their dreams and adventures, knowing that the magic of friendship would last forever.